What a perfectly placed nade that was. One of the most precise utility utilization from that man. But for now, oh, the team that was in the smack center, that's getting completely dismantled by Evolution Mizoram. Nicely done. Two of the players were the cause or the problem over there, but then an instant third party from Team Unsub, and they shut down Evolution Mizoram. Unfortunate stuff, an unfortunate ending for the Team Evolution Mizoram, but now look at this, even Aerobots, even
just to patch himself up, that won't be enough. He was another player who was just counting those seconds, but now there you have it. The push comes in on the players of Evo Mizoram as Guts. He's got to fight it against the wall. You have got Guso Esports from the backlines also causing so much chaos, so much trouble for the players of Silly as Beard Baba. He's also fallen down, and in the blink of an eye, they get exterminated from the server.
Oh my goodness, GHE, what a time to strike, and eventually they have struck hard enough to eliminate a complete squad. Now finally the limelight comes back to the team of Psych, where they're trying to do their best. Throwables being used perfectly, Carry now tossing in the final one in his hand as Billa. Without a perfect plan, they're just gonna eat you up as Evo. They're gonna be losing a player. It's going to be finished off as quickly as possible.
for now, with just the 3-man inside of this compound. I want to see how well they can deal with this situation. Unfortunately, Ghetto's position's compromised, and the utilities are being tossed over and over again. And Ghetto is also going to be burning to his death. It's a big red flag. The man's also getting shot at from the back, and he gets knocked out. Oh no, Evo down to a 2-man squad, and then even another player peeks out. And just like that, the entirety of Evo is going to start to crumble down. But still, even for Team Psych, even if they do take down Evo, it's going to be a late breach in the zone, so I'm not sure how good of a decision this was. The fight took too long to escalate. And even Evo, yes, they did face the negative side of things, but even the same thing's going to be happening with Psych. They did get the 4 points, but what are they going to do now? They need to make it inside the zone as the wall of death is already taking so much damage away.
I strongly